Okay, I just jumped into ES. Um, I was just looking at two time frames basically. I was looking at the 3 minute or the 5 minute here. What I have is this level right there, that swing low. After this right here was created, I drew that on there, and then it held 3 times right here. Held 3 times right there, and then we got up, confirmed a swing high, and came back down and tried to go after this low. What we need is this level right there to be taken out. We need price to close above that level. Um, this After this move up, this was an all. Make sure here. Open and high. Yeah, that's a Mariposa candle right there. What that means, if you see the open and high right there, they're both the same price. That means there's no shadow, wick, tail, or whatever you want to call it up here. That's all money to go short. And it had weakness just before it closed. Then this one here opened up, and they tried to drive it even farther down. And the buyers took back control of this candle, drove it back up here. So what I'm looking at as a possibility is this right here. I'm looking at that possibility right there, wherever it goes. Butterfly W, there's lots of names I'm sure, but that's what I call it. I call it a W is what I call it. So that's what I'm looking at as that possibility. But we cannot get that possibility to happen unless we can close above this level right here. If we cannot close above this level here, this thing rolls back over, we'll go after these lows. More than likely. So, but we need it to close. We need to get a candle to close above here. Can we do this? 5 minute candle, so it's going to be a long candle. I'm also looking at the 3 minute. Those are the main two I was looking at. On the 3 minute, price came down. I have this one drawn right here. That's where this one is for this right here. So price came down, tested this a couple times. We got a large negative volume delta here. Price goes up, we get a pretty decent negative volume delta here. Price rolls over, and we have a very small relative to these two right here, negative volume delta. So it tells me sellers might be disappearing here. They don't have enough strength to get down below this level right here. So, and the level I'm talking about is this one right here. They couldn't get back to this swing right here is where they couldn't get to. So, once again, this level right here is the important level. We need to get above this level right here. We can't get up here. And my target is just at the level of the, or did I already move it or no? I did not. Sorry about that. My target is up here where this pattern completion is. I have it right there. So I'm using this one right here. That one. For this. So that's where my target is. In that area right there. So, but we need to be able to get up above this. We need a candle to get above here and close. So what would be nice is to get a candle to close above here, then get a retest of this level as support, and then go. That would be very nice. Back to the 3-minute, these are the two I was looking at. So what we're getting is candles. We're getting higher highs right here on the up move. We're getting higher highs and higher closes, which means candles are closing higher than the prior candle closed. So we need that to continue. Bring it up just below this right here. It was here. I think we want to be aware of though is sooner or later this is going to try to confirm a swing short. And we want to give it room to do that before it makes the move up, if it's going to happen. So this is the 3-minute. This is the 5-minute here. Have a Marubozu open here. Once again, the open and the low are the same things. And now we have the low got taken out. So now the Marubozu open's gone. We need to get above here. I want to check and see if there's any supply or demand, which one's coming in the 1 minute. We have some demand come in here. Now we want to confirm swing short on the 1 minute. I wasn't really watching this time frame, so I'm just checking this supply and demand down here. It looks like the demand is getting weaker, disappearing basically. What I'm talking about right there is we had this move up, so demand has pretty much disappeared. But we did have some supply disappear here too, right here, and from here to there, to there. So we do have all that there too. So we need demand to come in here. That's what we need. There's a little bit of it. So I am going to put the 5-minute back up. That's really the one I went in on. Okay, we're attempting to go after this level right here again. We need to get above here and close. And here's the 3-minute, which I'm bringing this back over because I'm showing we're getting higher highs. Candles are getting higher highs here, but this one here closed pretty close to the high of this one here. So we're getting higher closes so far, and that's what we need. So we do need to get above here. This is a very large amount of volume delta here on the current swing up compared to here, so we really need to get above this level, or else that's going to be a possible effort, no result there to roll back over and go short. So we need that to happen. So that's on the 3-minute. Run it down back all the way. I know I'm showing several charts, but I'm trying to show what's going on at different time frames and what I'm looking at. Okay, even here we have, if we don't get above here, this right here, looking at these two numbers here and these two numbers here, that's basically effort, no result. Larger total volume and a much more volume delta right here to not be able to take out this high significantly. So we need that to happen. Can we get up here? We need to get above this level here. This candle's, we have half a minute to go in this candle here. Half a minute to go. Five seconds to go. Okay, we did not close above it. Positive volume delta here. Once again, on this time frame here, we had higher highs and higher lows, and we had higher closes. Same thing on the 3 minute. We have higher highs, higher lows, and higher closes. Right here. So that's a positive. We couldn't close above here. So, and to me, this is really effort no result right here. Possibility. Pretty much matching total volume. And a ton of volume delta here. But we couldn't take out this high significantly. So, this is the 3 minute here. That's a lot of effort no result right there. And now we do need to confirm a swing short. So we have to be aware of that. Effort no result right there. Once we take out this high here, we need to go after this one here too. There's fractal there also. So I'll draw those on there just so we know where they are. This is our target right here. So we have this swing high, we have this swing high, we have this fractal here, and we have this swing high. Those are our targets. So where I got in at, if I had multiple contracts, or if I had multiple targets, one target would have been right here. Next one would be right here, next one would be right here, and the ultimate would be up here. See, we got some demand to come in. Can we get up here? I'm going to bring this to right here for now. That's the 3 minute, right? Yeah. 3 minute, 5 minutes trying to do its thing here. And that's a lot of effort right there. We need to get above this level here. Just like on the other time frame, we have, it's not a swing on this one, but it is a fractal right there. There's another one right there. So we need to attack these to get up here. If we cannot, then we're not going higher. And we probably had some good bit of demand come in here on the 1 minute, which we did. So now we need to confirm swing short now on all 3 time frames. That's what we have to be aware of. So we want to allow that to happen. But basically on the 1 minute, we've kind of created a small trend. By that I mean we have the low here. We have a swing high. We have a higher low swing here. A higher high swing here. Now we're trying to create a higher low swing. So we are in a trend right here. So, on the 1 minute. Now what we had on the 3 minute here, this is what I was looking for. This candle here did close above this level right here. This one came down and retested it, so it held the support. It did hold the support, so now price theoretically wants to go to this level right here. Basically, price is just going back to where it came from. It came from up here. The price is trying to go back to where it came from. That's basically what it's doing. So that's the 3 minute. A minute left to go on this candle. Okay, we lost our demand over here. We do have a trend stooges buy here, and that's what I was talking about. We have created a trend here. So now, this is the main one I was watching. So I'll show you this one. Price did close above this level here. Now this one may come down and retest this level here to see if it's going to hold the support. If it does, price will want to get after this. Price will want to go after this fractal here, this level. We do have a little bit of positive volume delta here, but we are trying to still confirm a swing short on the 3 and 5 minute. And that comes into play here. So I'll put this back over here. And the positive volume delta is growing, and so we can go after this high. Okay, it's coming back down to retest this level right here. So, and that is part of confirming a swing short also, which is what we're also trying to do on the 3 minute. But we do have a positive volume delta on both of them right now. So, we do have a buy and balance here. So basically on the bottom here, after this low here, positive volume delta, positive volume delta, positive, positive. Right now this is positive. So we have buy and balances right here. So tells us we have a pretty good shot of going up. Okay, we do. Even though price is going down, we still do have a positive volume delta here. So we did keep it. We need demand to come in. But the key is, are we going to confirm a swing short on the 3 and 5 minute prior to doing anything else? That comes into play. So here we are on the 3 minute. Okay, we took out this low, so that's candle 1 to confirm a swing short. It's less than half a minute to go. So the next candle on this time frame should confirm a swing short. All it has to do is take this low here out. And we have our swing. And that also creates possible geometry to go up, A, B, C, D to go up. That's what that does. But this level here is trying to hold the support again, which it did. So, do we get a retest this level here? Right there. There's our retest. Then does this hold and go after this high? 5-minute, price did come down and test this level, tested it a couple times, as it showed on the 3-minute. And we do have a positive volume delta here. Can we take out this high? Because over here, it will, on this time frame, it will take 2 more candles to confirm a swing short. This one, at least this one, and another one. That looks like a Mariposa open, which the open and the low are the exact same price. That means that's all money to go long right here if they can hold it. It's all money to go long. There's no wick or shadow, tail, whatever you want to call it on this candle here. So can we take out this high and go after this level here? Because this candle here did give us our retest of this level. Can we get there? No, we're getting ready to change colors, it looks like, and go back down here to this level. Just like that. Okay. Which we already know we want to confirm a swing short. So it's not a surprise. We have a little bit of demand coming, but not much. I was just looking at the demand and supply here. Levels throughout the night. Positive volume delta here on the 1 minute. We have a little bit of demand come back in. Everything's kind of slowed down here. Okay. On the 5 minute, I'll go back to this one. This is the one I'm watching the most. We did get our retest of this again. 2 retests of this level after this one closed above it. Got our 2 retests. Now, can we go after this high? Or do we try to confirm a swing short? That's going to be the question here. I'm going to put the 3 minute really quick because it's getting ready to confirm a swing short, it looks like. Right here. It has to take out this low right here to confirm a swing short right now. This low right here. Still have a positive volume delta here. The buyers are really trying to take control of this. They're just having a difficult time. Okay, positive volume delta is getting smaller. Now we're at negative volume delta here. Big jump there from negative volume delta to positive volume delta there. That was a very large jump. Went from negative 10 or something to 100 plus positive. Okay, confirm a swing short here. Which we know we need, or we know it's going to happen. So we can't be surprised by it. This level here is pretty decent support. Okay, now we confirm a swing short by taking out this. We just confirmed it. So on this one we have, on 3 minute we have possible geometry to go up. But I think we're going down lower before anything, before we kind of move up, because over here on the 5 minute, we still need to confirm a swing short. And we can't do that until the next candle. And this one still has 4 minutes to go. Okay, now what's happened here is this candle here closed below this level here that was acting as support. This one went up and retested that level. So now it's possible resistance right here to go short. Do we get higher? Still have a positive volume delta here. Okay, we're trying to get higher. Now we need to go after this high right here. Very strong positive volume delta here. Can we take out this high? Okay, we have not confirmed the swing short on the 5 minute. It looks like we're trying to go after that high right there. We have confirmed it. Okay, over here in the 1 minute we have positive volume delta is getting lower, showing a little bit of weakness here to go short, and that's why we have the Stooges short here. So, but what I was going to show is on a 3 minute, because we did confirm a swing short, we have a possibility of an A, B, C, D. But we have to take out this high here to confirm that to have a chance to move up. So that's why I confirmed swing short actually makes the pattern up stronger. And we did have a positive buy imbalance here on the confirmed swing short to go higher. So question is, can we get above this one now? So before we can get to here, we have to get to here. I'm not going to add any more lines, I'm just going to move this one. But we need to get up here in order to get, I'll drag this one down here. Okay, need to get through here to get to here. Now this one retesting this level here again. And that's because we need to confirm a swing short on the 5, I believe. And because of what happened right here. So half a minute to go on this candle. The next candle can confirm a swing short. This candle here closed below this level here, which we were above. This one here went up, retested it, and it became resistance for this candle right here. 10 seconds to go in this candle here. Do we get a confirmed swing short and then roll over? That's going to be the question here. All we need to do is take out this low, confirm a swing short, which we do want. We want to confirm a swing short because it strengthens the move up. Retesting this level here, it looks like. See if it's going to remain resistance. Not getting our confirmed swing short here, which I would rather have. We're back above this level here. Now we need to go after this high right here. That's where we need to go after it, right there. Positive volume delta here. Take out this high. Orange line disappears like that. Now, what we have, a couple things going on. I'm going to show the 3 minute first. On the 3 minute, we had, I'll bring this up to here, right there. What we have on the 3 minute is we had a confirmed swing short, so we did create our stronger geometry with a confirmed swing short. So we have, and now we're going after point D. So I'm going to leave this here for now. Right there, and that's what we want. Anything above here, and this is a Marbo's open, it looks like. Yeah, the open and the lower are the exact same price. So what that tells us is this is all money. There's zero weakness in this candle. So we did get a confirmed swing short on here. And theoretically our target probably should be right here. So, and I hope I don't pay for not putting it there. But what we did get over here on the 5, I'll show this real quick, is we got through here and we went to this level here. But even though we did not get a confirmed swing short, fractals are what create geometry. And we did get, even though we don't have a confirmed swing short, we do have a fractal there. And that created the geometry. And I should have my target right here. So, I'm debating whether to put it there or not. So I'll leave this here. Because basically this geometric pattern has been completed. Now we have an up thrust up here on the 1 minute and it's due just short. And very, very little demand here. Can we keep taking out highs here? The one thing that's making me try to hold this for my original target, I'll show the hourly. The main reason why I'm trying to hold it is because this has a confirmed swing short here. This candle here, we can confirm a swing high on the next candle on this one here, and there's only 6 minutes left in this candle, and this is the hourly. So if this candle here opens up or closes up here, next candle takes out a swing high, or it takes out the high, confirms a swing high here, then we have a great chance of getting our target. The hourly is the reason I'm trying to stay in this thing, basically. So it doesn't mean it's going to work, and I hope I don't pay a heavy price for this. So Which one to show? I will show the well, I'll show this one here on the 1 minute. We do have a pullback, a buy here. We are getting supply here after an up thrust and a stooge short. And we have a very large amount of negative volume delta here. But we do need to confirm a swing short on the 1 minute. So the key is now this is kind of tricky here because I'm trying to stay in this to get here, but we did get a negative volume delta here. And we have a trend stooges buy here. So can we take out this high right here? That will be a huge question there. Okay, we did. Now, that's a good place for rotation right there too. But now we have a positive volume delta. I'm going to trail to just below point B here because I really want to give this a chance. I'll take this one off and I'm going to show the hourly again because this is the one is the reason I'm trying to stay in this trade. If this thing here can go up the next candle in 3 minutes, basically 3.5 minutes, and confirm a swing high, then we have a chance to get here. That's the reason. This is the time frame that's keeping me in this trade right here. I'm just hoping it doesn't cost me. Sorry, I'm moving charts around. I'm just trying to show what I'm looking at. I hope it doesn't cost me because the target should have been at point D here. And now this one here went up above it, closed just below it, or pretty much at our same price, but we do have a trend pullback buy here, a trend stooges buy. And now this is acting as resistance right here, possible resistance. We need to keep taking out highs. That's what we need. 2.5 minutes to go in the hourly candle. Can we take out this high? I'll look at something else here. And from here to there, 38.2. Okay. Okay. Can we continue up? Which is right there. Can we close above this high? This is just an A, B, C, D patterns, all this is. Trend pullback buy, trend stooges buy. We have a minute and a half left to go in the hourly candle. Can we get up here? Because the longer, this is the hourly, the longer the hourly, or any candle, you know, the longer it stays up by its high, the better chance we have of continuing getting highs. Vice versa, the longer it stays close to its low, the better chance we have of getting new lows. And right now this is up here, so we're going after new highs. We have less than a minute to go, almost a minute to go, and the next candle should confirm a swing high, and that could get us there. And once again, this is why I decided to stay in this after point D got hit. So, and if D gets, I'm sorry, if this gets hit, and no matter what happens on the next hourly, I'm out. Because this was the original pattern here. So 16 seconds to go on the hourly. And I'll show it over here. The hourly's going after this. All we need to do now is confirm a swing high, and I'm out. That's all we need to do. Opened up with a very large -1 delta and a student short. All we need to do is confirm a swing high on the hourly. So I'll just leave it here. Either we get it or we don't. Can we confirm a swing high? Pretty much the minute the orange line disappears, my target's hit. So, can we confirm a swing high? And this is the reason I try to stay in this trade right here, the hourly, even after point D got hit, which I should have had my target at point D once that was created. Can we confirm a swing high? All we have to do is confirm that swing high and my target's out. Which is what I was waiting, right there. I'm out. I am out. That was fun. So I want to go back over here. Target was taken out. I want to go back over here and show what I was looking for. I'm going to take all this off. This is the pattern that I was looking for, right there. Right there. And it got completed. So, that's it. And thanks.